Hi guys, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can add a Boom Card deck into your library on Boom Cards. The first way is just hopping onto Boom Cards. You're going to go to your store, and I'm just going to scroll down here to some top free decks and try to add one to my library. So it's quite simple. You're just going to, once you purchase it, it'll click Add to Library and hit OK. It will go directly into your current library under Unfolded. So these are all the decks that I have purchased or created myself that will be added, that have been added to my library. Okay. The next way to do it is directly from Teacher Pay Teacher. Grabbing a free Boom Card lesson off of Teacher Pay Teacher. It's one that you just purchased. You're going to click Download Now, and a PDF is going to download. I'm going to open that PDF, and somewhere on the PDF, the person who created the deck is going to have a link to download that Boom Card. So here, for me, I have the picture icon of the product that I created, and there is a link embedded in it. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring you right to Boom Cards, and it's just going to confirm that it is you. And because I'm the author of this, it kind of does something different. But then it'll go right into your Boom Card library over here, and you just click on Unfolded, and it will be there. If you have any questions, feel free to email myteletherapyroom@gmail.com, and I can help you if it seems to be giving you troubles. One important thing to know is that you do need to be signed into your Boom Learning account. Thanks for watching.